In times of complex change, it's normal to go back to the behaviors that have worked in the past to see if they still work. When they don't, some people will stall out, but others will evolve. They'll develop new behaviors that will help them succeed in the new, more complex environment. So a crisis like this is actually a huge opportunity to evolve and to create the kind of future we could really be proud of. Developmental psychologists suggest that people pass through a series of qualitatively distinct levels of consciousness as they go through life, and that this process leads to greater authenticity, meaning that the person's life becomes an expression of his or her gifts and talents. Remarkably, many of the technologies now emerging seem to be pushing us toward this kind of authenticity. The internet has created new ways for people to interact and to use talents that have never before been used in their work. New fields like nanotech and biotech could soon allow us to rebuild the products we use every day from the bottom up, offering the potential for huge advancements in health, sustainability, and quality of life. With these technologies, the biggest constraint on what we can build will be our own imagination. So what kind of world do we want to build? And what are the policies, products, and services we will need if we do build that world? What business models will be successful when people choose authenticity over status? These are some of the questions we ask as part of IF's Authentic Futures project. In addition to documenting what technologies are emerging that may lead us in this direction, it's important to at least envision the world we could create and to identify the forces that may be taking us there. If we're choosing between alternative paths, then we need to know a lot more about the possible destinations.